bad guys' cars.
Oh, bad guys' cars?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
This is the bicycle. And I can use my little bat.
All right, go ahead, show me.
Okay, come on. Come on, Levi.
All right, so what is it that you're doing?
Just putting that bad guy.
There's a bad guy in that Hot Wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's still, knives.
He's got knives?
Yeah, and that's how that's that.
Oh my gosh.
Come like that.
Yeah, go ahead.
I got it.
Hi, sweetie.
I got it, Mom.
Hi, sweetie.